I remember when I was a kid, there was nothing like a good old-fashioned tuna melt. And it's funny, after all these years, I still love them. There's something about them that makes them so comforting. So I thought it would be fun if we came up with a dish that has everything we love in a tuna melt in the form of a casserole. We start off by cooking some corkscrew pasta, and once it's tender, we drain it really well. While that cools slightly, we add some flour and a little salt and pepper to some melted butter. After that cooks for a minute or so, we slowly stir in some milk and let it simmer until it thickens up. Now, we turn off the heat, stir in a good amount of shredded Swiss cheese, and once it's smooth, we add that along with some canned tuna that we've drained to our pasta and mix it until it's coated. This goes into a baking dish, and we finish it off with some sliced tomatoes and a bit more cheese before baking it off. Once it's bubbling hot and the cheese is all melty, it's ready to serve. Yep, everything we love in a tuna melt, but in the convenience of a casserole. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our tuna melt casserole, so you'll be able to add a new comforting main dish to your dinner lineup. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a easier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.